Hello guys, hope you are well. Guys, today I am here with new kinds of words called homographs. Homographs are very important words to improve our English vocabulary. These are really challenging words even for English speaking people. So what are the characteristics for these words? They are spelled in the same way, pronunciation may be same, may be different, and meanings are very different. So guys, let's move on to the next step of improving vocabulary. So these are the homographs. First homograph, novel. Novel has two meanings, a storybook or prose work about fictional characters with realism. A storybook or prose work about fictional characters with realism. And next meaning is new or very different. New or very different. That is also novel. Next homograph is put. Put meaning to keep something or anyone in a specified position. To keep something or anyone in a specified position. And next meaning is to write or express something by words. To write or express something by words. That is also put. Next homograph, bank. Bank meaning organization helps to invest or borrow money. And next meaning is slopy land at the shore of river. Slopy land at the shore of river. Next is disaster. Disaster meaning huge damage or harm. Huge damage or harm. An extremely bad situation. Extremely bad situation is disaster. So these are the two meanings for disaster. So novel, put, bank, disaster. These are all homographs having different meanings but same spelling. And pronunciation is also same here. So these are the homographs. Next is desert. Desert meaning a hot region. Desert defines a hot region, and it has also used to leave someone alone or helpless. To leave someone alone or to leave someone helpless. That is also desert. Desert meaning hot region. To leave someone alone or helpless. Next homograph is minute or minute. So first meaning is for minute. That is time frame. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is time frame. And minute, that is pronunciation is bit different and has different meanings but has the same spelling. So it has meaning tiny or small. Tiny or small. That is also minute. Next is tear. So tear meaning to separate apart. T-E-A-R, tear. Tear meaning to separate apart. Okay. And next meaning of tear, drop of liquid from eye. Drop of liquid from eye. So this is also tear. Wind. Wind meaning blowing air. Wind meaning blowing air. And next meaning for wind is to turn something. To turn something is also wind. So like desert, minute, minute, tear, wind. So these are all homographs. As we can see here, spellings are same here but has a different, very different meanings. Hot, like hot region or to leave someone. These are very different meaning for desert. Minute meaning time frame and tiny small things. It comes under minute, minute, and tear to separate apart, drop of liquid, when blowing air to turn something. So these are all homographs. Next homographs, bark. Bark meaning a loud cry or sound made by dog. B-A-R-K, bark. Bark meaning a loud cry or sound made by dog. Next meaning, a tough or hard covering of stem or root. So it's a part of trees, like tough covering or hard covering of stem or root. That is also called bark. Next homograph, bow. Bow meaning to bend head or body or knees. To bend head, body or knee. Next meaning is front part of a ship. Front part of a ship is also bow. And to make a ring from ribbon or string, that is also bow. So bow has different meaning. Next homograph is fine. So fine meaning fee paid when someone breaks the rule. Fee paid when someone breaks the rule. And next meaning is very different from first meaning, like texture of small particles of a substance. Texture of small particles of a substance. And next meaning is good or healthy. This is also fine. So these are all homographs. WELL. Well. Well meaning deep hole of water or oil or gas in the ground. So deep hole of water, oil or gas in the ground, that is well. Well has different meaning also. Good or satisfactory manner. Well manner means good or satisfactory manner. So well has also two meanings, like deep hole of water, oil or gas in the ground, and good or satisfactory manner. So these are all homographs. Bark, bow, fine, well. Next homograph, console. Console meaning to make someone or somebody more cheerful. To make someone or somebody more cheerful. Next meaning is a plain surface with electronic switches. A plain surface with electronic switches. So these all different meanings. Can meaning be able to. Can meaning be able to. Next very different meaning is a metal container or a jar sealed for preservation of drinks or etc. means anything, any liquid we can say here. So a metal container or jar. And next homograph is pen. So pen is a long object used for writing. Pen, that is a long object used for writing. And next meaning is small fenced area where animals are kept. So it's the fenced area where animals are kept. This is also called pen. So pen has very different meanings. And next is skip. Skip meaning to move fast or lightly in a similar way like dancing. To move fast or lightly in a similar way like dancing. Next meaning for skip is to move quickly. Quick movement or secretly. In a secret way, in a quick manner, that is also skip. And the next meaning, large metal container, is also called skip. Large metal container, that is skip. So it has three meanings, like to move fast and lightly in a similar manner, and to move quickly and secretly, or large metal container. So these are all meanings for skip. Bluff. Bluff is a homograph. It has different meanings like very prominent or a steep bank. Very prominent or a steep bank. That is first meaning. Next meaning is an attempt to deceive someone. An attempt to deceive someone. That is also bluff. Lead. Lead is a homograph. It has two meanings like to control a team or group of people. To control a team or group of people. Next meaning is to take anybody to somewhere to cause something. Like it is also lead, means to take anybody to somewhere or to cause something. So it is also lead. Next homograph, bob. Bob meaning to move up and down quickly on the water surface. To move up and down quickly on the water surface. Bob meaning is inclination, and it has also meaning to make a curtsy by woman or girl. To make a curtsy by woman or girl. Dove. Dove is a homograph, that is, it has two meanings like white pigeon, that is a symbol of peace or innocence. White pigeon, symbol of peace or innocence. And next meaning is innocent or gentle person, that is also dove. Ring. Ring means circular band of metal or other material. Circular band of metal or other material. Sound made by bell. Act of making a phone call. Circular band of metal or other material, that is ring. Ring is sound made by bell, and act of making a phone call is also ring. Phone is ringing, like, so it is also a meaning for ring. Bluff, lead, bob, dove, and ring. These are all homographs. Next is retake. Retake means recapture. Recapturing is a retake, and it has different meaning: to shoot a picture again, or photograph again. To shoot a picture again or photograph again. Quail. Quail is a small brown bird. Quail is a small brown bird, that is quail. Quail meaning to feel or show fear. Quail has two meanings like small brown bird, to feel or show fear. These are meanings for quail. Foot. Foot, unit of measurement. Foot is a unit of measurement, and it is also a body part. So we all know it has two different meanings. Next homograph is lie. So lie meaning to be in horizontal position. To be in a horizontal position, in a relaxed position, that is in a horizontal position. And next meaning is exist. Exist is also comes under lie. So lie meaning to be in horizontal position and exist. SIGN, sign. Sign means something representative. Sign meaning something representative. Next meaning is to write name of an individual in his or her agreement. To write name of an individual in his or her agreement. If someone is agree, so he or she writes her name or his name. So in agreement. So it's a kind of sign, signature. Something representative to write name of an individual in his or her agreement. Next homograph, contract. Contract meaning return to smaller size. Contract meaning return to smaller size. Contract has another meaning, an agreement. An agreement is also contract. Next homograph, watch. WATCH, watch. Watch means to observe closely or look at something or somebody. Very close observation is like to watch. And next meaning is watch is clock. So watch means to observe closely or look at something or somebody, and clock. So next meaning is park. park, open area with trees and grass. An area of land to leave the vehicle. An area of land to leave the vehicle. So open area with trees and grass. An area of land to leave the vehicle. Fair. Fair meaning free from discrimination. Free from discrimination. Next meaning is pale yellow or golden color. Pale yellow or golden color. So it's a like fair color. And next meaning is gathering of persons for entertainment. So fair is persons gathering, means gathering of persons for entertainment. Gathering of persons for entertainment. So these are all different meanings for fair. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Guys, please like, share, subscribe this video and also comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.